If the water freezes, it can expand, which won't break any of your pipes. Hi, I'm Joe Puccio with Clean and Clear Pools. I want to talk to you about freeze protection. If you have an automated system, then freeze protection is built in. It will turn on anywhere between 36 and 38 degrees. If you have a brand new variable speed pump or a newer style variable speed pump, it has freeze protection also built into it. If you don't have an automated system, then you need to let your system run overnight when it's the coldest. If you think there is going to be power outage, then what you want to do is shut the system down. On an automated system, you will come over and turn and hit the button that says service. And that will allow you to open up the system and drain all the water out of the bowls of the pump. And you need to do that to all the pumps. And that way, if the water freezes, it can expand, which won't break any of your pipes. Because the biggest part of the problem with freezing is the equipment area. The pool shouldn't have an issue. It's the equipment area that will freeze up on you. So that's the filter, and we took the plug out of that and we're draining that. Also, you have the heater. And on the heater, you're going to either have a pop-off valve or you're going to have a regular plug, which you will undo those, and that will allow the water to expand when it freezes so your pool system is protected. During the last freeze, the most common repairs that we saw were valves that were cracked, pipe that was broken, filters that were cracked, heaters that were cracked internally, and pumps that were cracked. So freeze protection is very important. Make sure if you lose power to drain your system. It will save you thousands of dollars.